we're back running some Clash here. As you all can see, I pushed up to League 9, quite a bit a ways off from Ultimate Champ, but I think there's only like 200 people in here so far, not even, so gonna try to go crazy tonight, but we'll see if we can. Just gonna play some casual here though. I actually tried recording a couple times, and just with the commentary and everything, it's hard for me to concentrate as well, so I don't really want to play ranked right now, so just gonna go for some casual mode here. I'll play some non-expo decks just to show you guys that I am a one trick, but you know I can play a little bit outside of expo. So I got this drill deck that I kind of like. Should be solid for us here. Ooh, Bandit does dash. Kind of a lucky dash, but I'll take it. Alright. Cycle an Ice Spirit up here. Oh, that was probably dumb, actually, because he can activate his king off that. Shouldn't have done that. Okay, he doesn't go for it. Gonna go drill the back. Bandit here. Bandit does get on the tower. Gonna take the rocket on that queen, to be honest. Could be an overcommit. Was definitely an overcommit. But we shouldn't take too much damage here. Bomber's pretty good against recruits. In hindsight, I think it was worth it. And now he has to respond to this. If he doesn't, we'll be in 2 rocket range. Okay, he'll log. He logs, which means that he won't have it for the drill. Gonna put it in front here, just because that's the optimal placement to guarantee that you get a hit. Okay. Pretty well defended by him, to be honest. Wow. Well played. Maybe I should have drilled the back. I don't really know. I'm not as good with this deck as I am with Expo. But I think we have a pretty good matchup here, so should be able to win this. Just going to go Inferno. Snipe the queen. Go drill the back. Go Bandit for that queen. Bomber, log. Shouldn't get any hits. Okay. We are in double rocket log range, so I'm going to go with the first one here. He'll probably pig, so got the Inferno Tower ready. Alright. A little dicey, but I think we should be okay. As long as that queen doesn't get on my tower. Okay, we do log it off, so we just need to get back to 1 more rocket and 1 more log. Honestly, just gonna drill rocket. Nope. Can't do that. Yeah, now I'm gonna drill rocket because I kind of have to. Oh my. What? Alright, y'all. We'll be back after this brief intermission.
Lost because he outplayed you? Honestly, yeah, man. I think I just got really scared of losing because I fear Spencer a lot, man. I mean, let's be honest, chat. Like, I lost him 2 out of 35 times. And, like, who knows? You know, I could always end up losing again. So I think I just got so scared. I saw the hog at the bridge, and I just didn't react for 5 seconds because I didn't know what to do. I had bomb tower in cycle, but, like, I just didn't know what to do, you know? This just shows how much you, how much I what? Check your opponent's clan. This guy's clan? Kissing dudes? Yo, me and him be, relating on a lot of things right now, bro. Homies like me. Just like me. Kissing dudes. Spencer wants a rematch? I'm down. Dude, I'll rematch Spencer any day, man. WOX owning up to his mistakes? Yeah, man, I just got scared, okay? I froze, I panicked, and I didn't know what to do. Spencer's just so hot. I don't know, dude. I just didn't know what to do. Spencer is talking so much shit. Oh my goodness, dude. Is he actually, man? What is little boy Spence saying in chat right now, man? Chat, what is Spencer saying? By Spencer, you're so bad, I win that game easy. An easy 3 for 35, man. Isn't he like 17? How old is Spencer? Isn't Spencer like 18 or 19? Chat, how old is Spencer? How old is Spencer? Did I just commit a crime? Spencer called you little bro? I'm definitely not the little bro in this equation. Spencer said he wants to box you? Bro, I would destroy... I'm 6'8", man. Spencer's like 5'3". Okay, ain't no way he said he's gonna box me. Spencer would not box me. 6'8", man. How are you gonna box someone that's 6'8" when you're like 5'3"? That doesn't make any sense. What? No, that was not supposed to be goblins. Oh my. This man has a YouTube too? Okay. Alright, I'm done messing around, man. No more Mr. Nice Guy, chat. No more Mr. Nice Guy. I'm done being nice. I'm done being nice. We're going in. Laughing face. Good luck, bro. Good luck, man. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. I'm actually gonna lose to this guy? Bro, I'm gonna be in his new YouTube video, man. It's gonna be like, I beat Oxley. It's gonna get like 25 views. Come on, man. How does that get a lock? What? You're losing with a hard counter? Oh my god. Bro is 100% making a YouTube video. Good game. Bro, he's already figured out the narration, man. He's already figured out, like, the hook of the video. The intro, the conclusion. Man's got the entire video already figured out, bro. I feel like he might choke, though. This man just seems like the type to choke. A very, like, easy win. So, you never know, man. We could still win this game. This guy's pretty bad. This guy's pretty bad. Come on. Come on. Come on. Graveyard again. Please! Skeletons!
Alright. Enough of that non-expo nonsense. Back playing some 3.0 here. I'm gonna go with an Ice Spirit up in the front. He will Magic Archer. Either gonna be Bridge Spam or some kind of minor Wall Breakers deck. Just gonna go with a High Tesla to kill that. Gonna go in here just because I have an Archer and a Tesla and a okay, he lets that lock. Gonna go with an Ice Spirit to reset that. I was pretty late on that, but still will get like 500 more damage. Okay, just gonna Knight on that. Not the best play by him. I think he thought I was lower than I was. Okay. We don't catch the Miner, unfortunately. If he Magic... No, he just did Magic Archer. I think I'm going to go in regardless, though. Do an Ice Spirit here to tank, and then... Nice, so we catch the Inferno. He does go with a Valk, though, so we're not going to get any damage here. It's alright. Have a solid lead. Let's go with our log here. Take a Val kit on the left, but not really an issue. I think this is a pretty 50-50 matchup. It may be mine. He's trying to bait Fireball, but I'm not sure why. Or that was just a really bad play. I'm going to go with an Ice Spirit here, just try to force out like a log or something. And he misses. Nice. So, going to go block the Inferno, go Archers for the Valkyrie, and then Skeletons over here so it doesn't target my Expo. And yeah, I think that's going to be game. So, solid stuff in the first game here. He does not give up, so just going to Fireball that off. Go with a Tesla in the middle. Looks like he's still going for it, but not sure why. Okay, go with a log, go with a Fireball. Ooh, we actually missed the Magic Archer. Bit unfortunate, but it's alright. Go with an Expo here, just keep the pressure up. Not let him get anything going. And yeah, that'll be game. Pretty easy game. It's a solid matchup, I think. Probably going to play, you know what, I feel like playing Golem, weirdly. See if there's any good Golem decks on TV Royale. Is nobody playing Golem? Hello? There it is. Oh, wait. Can I just copy his deck? Yeah, there it is. Put this... Yeah, I definitely don't want that. Everything maxed? No. I'll substitute NATO in for Zap. For arrows, I mean. And then I'll go... do I want lightning? Is that too heavy? Whatever. And then the Mega Minion's not maxed either. This is a bit awkward. Are my minions maxed? They just buff those. I don't think they are. Let's go Baby Dragon. Play a little Golem. Alright. I'll go Wall Breakers. Just going to counter that with my Baby Dragon. Maybe should have gone Pump. Okay, I am going to Lightning the Queen off. Oh, wow. Level 13 doesn't kill. That's unfortunate. Hopefully our Bomber can take care of that. Okay, nice. Decent Bomber. I need to get that Lightning maxed out. Okay, he'll go Skellies. I can't really tell if we're up Elixir or not. I think we're up. I'm just going to go in the back. Fuck it. I have NATO in case... I'm just going to eat those. If you put them same lane, I'd probably NATO, but... Fine splitting up that damage. I'm going to Night Witch the back here. It's really unfortunate that my Lightning doesn't kill his Queen. I don't know if he should have cycled that E-Spirit too early. I think that he may regret that. See, if my Lightning kills the Queen there, we are in such a better spot. But I think we're still going to get some decent damage here. Decent arrows by him to kill my Night Witch, but solid stuff. Just going to go cheeky E-Barbs here. See what he's got for that. Ooh. Well played. Both of those are going to connect as well. But the healthy E-Barb's in the front now, so he has to respond to those. I don't think the Skelly's going to kill it. Yeah, it's still alive. He might take a bit of damage here. God. I'm going to go in this lane. Okay. This is a bit sketch. Just gonna lumberjack here. Hopefully that doesn't die. Okay, I'm gonna eat those wall breakers, I guess. To be honest, I don't know if that was a good NATO, because now my lumberjack's still alive. Gonna split my... Okay. Never mind. I think we're just gonna 3-crown him here. Gonna go with a lumberjack. And yeah, I think this is gonna be a 3-crown. Golem's a lot of fun.
Share the live. Walmart Gangster come with a money gun, a 500 coin donation. Thank you so much. Can I get some love in the chat for Walmart Gangster? Gonna go for this, and this is the bridge. He does catch my ice spear with the split skeletons. How does he defend my barrel? He goes for that. Probably going against Hog Earthquake. I got my Mighty Miner log ready to go. Gonna go Mighty Miner on top of this. Gonna pop my ability. He didn't even attempt to pop his ability there. I'm so confused. Princess Bridge right now.
Let's go.
You couldn't catch it in time. Might as well barrel. Okay. Defended well. Let's go for a log. Cycle. Mighty Miner Cannon Bridge. Alright. Get a chip damage on the right. I'm pretty happy about it. Cannon here gonna damage that down pretty solidly. I'm gonna just go like this real early here. Wow, he actually predicted that? I don't know how he did that. Well played. Log it back. Valk middle, skeletons. He's back to Expo. Let's go Mighty Miner, rocket at the ready here. Whoa. Bro, why is my princess dead right now? Hello? That's so frustrating. Okay, we do defend the Expo though. What are we looking at, boys? What are we looking at? He's got log and cycle. I'm gonna go for a barrel over here. I'm gonna go Ice Spear to catch that, and we'll go Princess Bridge. Make sure to get that to lock. Let's get a... Just log this, I guess, and let's go for this and this. Double cannon. Have to rocket. Definitely have to rocket that. Okay. I don't know what to do. Dude, I don't know how to defend that, like, honestly. How am I supposed to defend that? Archer Queen, Expo, and I don't have rocket in cycle? That's literally undefendable, I feel like. I'm such a bad rocket cycler, dude. Dude, there's no way. You don't deserve to win.
Dude, there's no way. You don't deserve to win. I'm so much better than you. Oh my god. Dude, there's no way. You don't deserve to win. I'm so much better than you. Oh my god. Dude, there's no way. You don't deserve to win. I'm so much better than you. Oh my.
Alright, you guys can officially refer to me as the stream demon from now on. Just out here catching bodies on stream. Gonna finish it off today with a game of Queen Bow here. And then probably tomorrow I'll play some ranked mode on stream or on recording for you guys. Just not really having the energy for that right now. League 9, everybody's so sweaty, myself included, that not really in the mood for that. Go with our Skellies here. He misses the logs, that's gonna be pretty good for us. Gonna go for an Expo opposite here. Block. Okay. Pop my ability. He will miner. Hopefully that doesn't freeze both. It does. Okay. Expo's gonna help out with the goblins though, and Valkyrie should get some damage. I don't think he has any elixir. Nice. Really solid stuff there. I think we're up about 1 or 2 elixir as well. This deck just feels so natural for me. It's like hard to play anything else. Okay, we're actually about even, so it's okay. Just gonna defensive Expo here for that Mighty Miner. He'll poison. Fine with me. Okay. Alright. Took a bit of damage there, but nothing we can't live with. Alright. Should have predicted the goblins and then gone for my ability. Probably would have been optimal, but we still do get a good amount of damage there. Let's see. Yeah, Mighty Miner is there. I like doing this play against Mighty Miner. I've been doing it a lot in ranked and it's been working out for me. When they Mighty Miner your Valkyrie, just kind of sniping it up there with a cannon. And then they're usually forced to play some more elixir. Like this guy, just playing the Phoenix. Now we can go in with an Expo, and this should get a lot of damage. Gonna ignore the Ice Spirit. Queen will die. And he's back to Mighty Miner, so he's probably gonna miner. Ooh, he poisons. Okay. Fair enough. Gonna queen the middle here for those goblins. And then go in with another Expo at 6. We're starting to outcycle him pretty badly here, so yeah, it's gonna be game. Did I miss the egg? I think I did. Doesn't matter. Just gonna bring all that back with Skellies, and yeah. Okay, solid video there. Like I said, I'll be back with some ranked content tomorrow. And yeah, peace out, y'all.